Hello, data heroes! I have a new data challenge for you. I'm Felipe Hoffa, a Google Cloud Developer Advocate, and I'm here to tell you about our BigQuery challenge, where every week you can enter to win $500 in cloud credits, and all you need to know is BigQuery and SQL. You know that BigQuery has many public datasets ready for your analysis, and you don't even need a credit card to get a free account with 1 terabyte of free queries every month. So let's have some fun. To participate in the challenge, just go every week to goo.gle/bqchallenge and find 2 SQL queries. Run these 2 queries in BigQuery and post the answers in the participation form. Every week, we'll randomly choose between the correct entries, and you might be the winner of the $500 in cloud credits. So go to goo.gle/bqchallenge and run the 2 queries you will find there. And make sure to submit your answers using the participation form. Stay curious and join the BigQuery challenge.